that I plan to retire, and now I have the power to bathe all of you in entertaining fire.
What's on this video? 100 wrong. This is meant to be a short, so I'm happy this was supposed to come out like yesterday, but we didn't do it yesterday. So it's the 4th of July short, so here you go. Matter, scratch what I said about it being short. This is gonna be a video. Whoop, there goes. Boom. And boom. Happy late 4th of July, everybody. Man, that is beautiful. Holy moly. That's gorgeous. Oh, there goes two. Boom, boom, and blue, red and green, red and green again, green, red, blue, and green, red, all sorts of colors. Okay. Boom. Ooh. 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 Oh. Blue, orange, clear, green, green and pink, green and pink again, clear, red. A lot of green and pinks. I don't, that's something I'll point out though. Oh. Someone's firing off Cody Rhodes' entrance to me, Pyro. Whoa. Look at that. Looks like Star Wars blaster things. Clone Trooper blasters, if anything. Someone must be doing Cody Rhodes' entrance because like that's a lot of fireworks. Holy. Damn. Boom. 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 Try to make sure you guys can see this. You definitely can hear it. Oh, oh. Alright, I'm running out of time. That was 4th of July fireworks for you. Later, guys.
Sorry, but you just got in my way.